Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to wrap text around the image here in Constant Contact. All right. It's actually pretty easy to do, so follow my steps. So first up, I'm going to create a new section right here just for you to see. So first up, we will have to add the text block first. Okay. Drag and drop like so. For example, this is your text right here. Okay. Now, the next thing would be is to add the image, okay? Go to the images section, upload your photo if you haven't done so. For example, this is the photo, okay? All you have to do is just drag and drop it onto the text block, okay? Or inside the text block. As you can see, I'm going to drag it. You have 4 options in here, to the left and right, okay? We have these pink indicators, as you might notice, and it will be placed in there. For example, on the left side, as you can see, it doesn't wrap. So all you have to do is just to hover your mouse into the photo and use these points right here, like the sizing option. Make it smaller. As you can see, it is now trying to wrap the text. All right, that's basically how you do it. If you want to move it to the right, you can go ahead and do so. Just drag it like that. The top, there you go. And at the bottom. All right. But since you want it to be wrapped, the best option here is in the left. Okay. Just like what we've done earlier. That's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.